But before we officially begin with the procedure for the raffle draw, we have a special announcement. We are requesting the winners of the raffle draw on scorecards to hand over their coupons to the club officials who will be present on the stage when they come to get their prizes for the raffle draw on scorecards, so that we can create more room for the next segment, which is raffle draw on coupons. We require all your cooperation in this regard. Moreover, let me mention you that we have 10 plus 10, 20 exciting prizes for these two raffle draws, and all these gifts are sponsored by Runner Group of Companies. So without further delay, let's get started with the first one. And for the first segment, which is raffle draw on scorecards, I would like to humbly request Amit Saqib Khan, son of Mr. Hafizur Rahman Khan, to come to the dais and hand over gifts to the winner of these scorecards. I would also like to request Lieutenant Colonel M.M. Ghulam Mohammed to escort Amit Saqib Khan onto the dais. Thank you. Let me take this opportunity to say what we have in store for you. So we'll get started with the 1 dozen golf balls by Srixon, and then we have golf trolley, Boston bag, then again 2 dozen golf balls, golf shoes, putter, bag, trolley again, utility club, and the first prize is a driver by Srixon. So the first lucky winner is a female winner, a female golfer, Rehana Parveen. The membership number is 3353S. So the next lucky name for the 10th prize is Cornel Mullik, and the membership number is KGC 3563. 3563. So Cornel Mullik is approaching the stage. Meanwhile, let me announce the 9th prize winner, Shama Faruqi, membership number 3676.
Sir, please. Thank you.
Okay, so we don't have Shama Faruqi, so the second name to be announced for the 9th prize is Colonel Retired A.H. Tafsir. He is with us. We are definitely sure about it because for the next segment we were supposed to call him to the dais. So you're very, very lucky. So 9th prize winner, you are going to get a 2-wheeler golf trolley, and then we will see you again for the next segment. Congratulations to Colonel Retired A.H. Tafsir.
Sir, please, sir. Thank you.
The 8th prize is Volvic Boston bag and hand gloves, and this goes to Captain Emrul Amin, membership number 2324. Yes. So yes, let me remind you to cheer for the winners. And as Captain Emrul Amin approaches the stage, let me announce the 7th prize winner, Brigadier General Faisal, membership number 3776. Yes. We have Captain Emrul Amin coming to the stage, receiving the 8th prize, which is Volvic Boston bag and hand gloves. And next up, we have Brigadier General Faisal for the 7th prize, which is Srixon Q Star 2 dozens golf ball.
Sir, please, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Yes, and don't forget to pose for the photo. The 6th prize is a pair of golf shoes from UA. And this goes to Taneem M. Jahangir, membership number 3017. 3017. No, unfortunately, Mr. Jahangir is not with us, so the second name to be announced for the sixth prize is Commodore Salahuddin, membership number 3243. 3243. No. This will be the third name to be announced for the sixth prize, which is Lieutenant Colonel Hugh Arnold, membership number 3574. 3574. No. Fourth name to be announced, and Mohammed Khai is absolutely sure that he's not here. Arif Chaudhry, 3098. No. I guess this is going to be the sixth name for the sixth prize. Keeping our fingers crossed. I hope he is here. Brigadier General Latiful Haider, membership number 3132. 3132. Okay, so hopefully the sixth prize goes to Muhammad Mahbubur Rahman, membership number 3016. 3016. No? There should be a deal that if such a number of people are not here, then the prize automatically goes to the MC. So the sixth prize hopefully goes to Air Commodore Amin, membership number 3369. Yes? Finally, thank you, sir, Air Commodore Amin. Thank you so much for saving us. You are the lucky winner of the sixth prize, which is, let me again remind you, it's a pair of golf shoes from UA.
So please, sir.
Congratulations, sir. So the fifth prize is golf putter from Super Stroke, and this goes to Brigadier General Mahmood, membership number 3580. 3580. No. The second name for the fifth prize, Group Captain A. Guffer, retired. Let us have no confusion, membership number 3097. 3097, he's here. And do excuse me if I pronounce your names incorrectly, because sometimes the handwriting is not legible. Alright, so now we have Group Captain A. Guffer receiving the fifth prize, which is a golf putter from Super Stroke. Congratulations, sir. The fourth prize is a Callaway golf bag, and this goes to Air Commodore Siddiqui, membership number 3613. Congratulations. Okay. So as Air Commodore Siddiqui is approaching the stage, let me tell you that as third prize we have golf trolley from Three Wheeler, and this goes to Major Yusuf, membership number 3038. And we know for sure that he is here with us. Oh, the coupon. Okay, as Major Yusuf is approaching the stage, let me remind you that we have two more prizes left. The second prize is a 7-wood Cleveland Utility Club, and the first prize is a Strixon driver. So I'm going to announce the name of the second prize winner. Brigadier General Syed, retired, membership number 2869. 2869, yes. Congratulations, sir, and don't forget to bring your coupon to hand over to the club official on the stage. This leaves us with the first prize, which is again a Strixon driver. Meanwhile, let me ask my lovely audience to offer a big round of applause for the second prize winner and for Amit Saqib Khan for helping us out with this segment. Thank you so much.
Sir, please, sir.
So the first prize, Strickson Driver, goes to Cornel Akbar, membership number 2956. No? Okay. So same enthusiasm. The first prize goes to Brigadier General Sadrul, membership number 3376. Yes, that's the kind of cheer that I love to hear. Congratulations to Brigadier General Sadrul on winning the first prize, which is a Strickson Driver.
Sir, please, sir.
How are you feeling, sir? Thank you, Andi. No excitement? Okay. And let me request Lieutenant Colonel M.M. Ghulam Mohammed to hand over a flower bouquet to Amit Saqib Khan as a token of appreciation
Sir,
on
please,
behalf
sir.
of
Sir, please, sir.
Gurujala Golf Club. Thank you so much. We will now move on with the next segment. And the next segment is raffle draw on coupons. And for